Good afternoon, everyone. I'm meteorologist Dina Kozlowski. I'm here to give you guys the weather forecast for the Friday night baseball games tonight. Um, really, just to kind of mention, I tweeted earlier the three games I was worried about the most were St. Louis, Detroit, and Pittsburgh. Those are definitely still on the table. Detroit, however, doesn't look nearly as bad, which is a good sign. St. Louis and Pittsburgh, on the other hand, are still going to be quite an issue. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the current radar and what the radar is going to look like around game time according to some of the models. Hold on just a second. All right, here we go. So here we've got the SPC meso analysis for kind of the Central Plains. Here looking at the St. Louis metro area, we see those storms popping up just to the south and west of the city already. We still have a couple more hours till game time, so hopefully those will just move out of the area, like move through and move out, and then we won't even have to worry about them. I'll keep an eye on those for sure. The only thing with this game is maybe more of just a delayed late start by a little bit, and then the games really just play fine is really how it's looking. Pittsburgh, on the other hand, we've got this pretty big, severe line of thunderstorms just out to the west along Indiana, Ohio, and even up into New York. And there's actually a whole bunch of severe thunderstorm and tornado watches along those lines right now, and so we can go and take a look at those. That is going to be interesting to see how those kind of play out, to see if they extend those into western Pennsylvania in the next few hours for that line. So we see those two severe thunderstorm watches highlighted in blue, and then the red is the tornado watch up in New York. Thankfully, that will not be affecting the Mets game, which is really good. So we are going to take a look real quickly at the model forecasted radar around game time for the St. Louis area. Right now we're looking at 0:15 UTC, which is 7 p.m. Central Time for the St. Louis area. And we see that it kind of still has those storms hanging around, but not for very long. They're very, very light in nature. So, one might pop over the stadium and delay it for, a half hour or something like that. But they're gonna be able to play that game tonight. That's not a big deal. Zooming in now onto the Pittsburgh metro area for the Pirates game. This is 23 UTC, which is 7 p.m. their time, and their game starts at 7:05. So this is what the radar is looking like right around first pitch. So again, very similar situation, most likely a delayed start, and then maybe even some small rain delays in between different innings throughout the game. Hopefully most of this will just be light rain. Hopefully that more severe line will break up. That's what it's looking like the models are trying to have it do. So we'll definitely keep our fingers crossed for that. And like I said, I will definitely continue to post the radar updates on the Twitter page. So definitely remember to go and look at those. I apologize again for the video. I'm still working with friends to get this fixed. And remember, our Twitter account is @WeatherDFS. I appreciate if you guys come follow us. We have a lot of good information, and if you have any questions, I'd be more than happy to answer them. And I wish you all good luck on your Friday night games.